Okay, so if you are preparing for RRB JE, SSC JE, or any other state level junior engineer examinations from electrical engineering, then listen to this very carefully. From transformer alone, you can score around 4 to 5 marks guaranteed. So in this video, I'll cover only exam oriented concepts. That means no extra theory and no confusion. So watch till the end because many students lose marks due to the small mistakes. So in this video, we'll cover working principle of transformer, EMF equation, losses, efficiency conditions, OC and SC test, and most expected questions or the previous year's questions. Okay. So first of all, we need to know what is transformer. So transformer is an AC static device which transfers electrical power from one circuit to another circuit and without changing the frequency. Basically, it can increase or decrease voltages with corresponding decrease or increase the current, and it is based on the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Okay, so that means it uses the mutual induction. So here one important point is like transformer works only on AC supply. So if DC supply is applied, then as you can see that no induced EMF, cold saturation, heavy current, and transformer may burn out. Okay, so from here you can expect one simple question like transformer works on which principle. So you can say mutual induction or Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, or there can be another question like what will happen if we connect DC to the transformer. So now we are going to discuss about the EMF equation. So the EMF equation of the transformer is very important. That is E is equal to 4.44 Fn phi m. That is where F is equal to frequency and N is equal to number of turns and phi is equal to maximum flux. So from this we can get the turns ratio, that is E1 by E2 and is equal to N1 by N2. So that means the you can get a trick from here like secondary turns is more than if the secondary turn in turns is more than primary turn, then the transformer will be step up transformer, and if the secondary turns is less than primary turns, then the transformer will be step down transformer. So now we are going to discuss about the transformer losses. So number one is core loss or iron loss. So this loss occurs in transformer core. So we can divide it into like hysteresis loss and eddy current loss. So here the most important thing is that iron loss is constant and independent of load, and the second loss is copper loss. Copper loss means I square R. That means if you reduce the I, then the copper loss will be reduced. So basically copper loss depends on load and it is a variable loss. So which loss, from here you can uh, expect a question from the in your exam, like which loss is constant in transformer. So the answer will be iron loss. So now we are going to discuss about the efficiency of the transformer. So efficiency means output by input into 1. That is a golden condition. Or you can say that maximum efficiency occurs when that copper loss is equal to iron loss. That means, I mean, when the copper loss will be same as like the iron loss. So from here you can expect one more marks in your junior engineer level examination. Okay, so now that OC test and SC test. So open circuit test, that is conducted on the low voltage side and used to determine it is basically the open circuit test is used to determine the iron loss or the no load current or core parameters. and AC test, I mean the short circuit test, that is conducted on the high voltage side and used to determine the copper loss or equivalent resistance loss or leakage reactance loss and all these things. And so basically uh, the power input during the short circuit test is very small. It can be an important point for you. Now let's discuss about that why transformer is rated in kVA. So transformer is rated in kVA and not in kilowatt, that is kW. Reason, the transformer loss depends on the voltage. Okay, so this can be point number one, and the point number two is the copper loss depends on the current, and the third point is power factor is not involved. So from here you can expect one question. And now if I'll say like what we studied so far, like transformer frequency, the important points, the transformers frequency remains constant, so no, and second point is no load current is about 2 to 5% of full load, and DC causes the core saturation, or if you'll connect DC, then transformer may burn out, as I said you earlier. So transformer should only we should use transformer only in AC. And oil in transformer is used for cooling and insulation, and auto transformer is has a single winding, because if I'll show you, like this is the auto transformer. So auto transformer has, as you can see, only single winding. So this is for this. So if you found this video helpful, then please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.